As a tours and travel business owner, then you've probably come across the term SEO, which means search engine optimization. Now, this is something that's very important for you as a business, and you need to make sure that you're fully conversant with it. That way, in case you need to do it for your business, then you'll be able to provide the right kind of guidance to the people implementing it in your business. The good thing with SEO is that it's nothing complicated. There are only 3 things that need to be done as far as SEO is concerned. A big mistake that a lot of businesses make is to assume that all you need is to hire a web developer to go and do SEO on your business. This is actually not the case. The aim of this video is to help you as a tours and travel business owner understand what SEO is and how it works, so that when you get to the point of doing it for your business, you know how to go about it. Let's start by understanding how search engines work. When you create a website, no one knows that your website exists. Google and other search engines crawl through the entire internet and go through the contents of each website and create an index that shows what is contained in each website. When someone goes to Google to search for something, instead of Google going to crawl through the internet again to find an answer to the information that the person is looking for, Google will go to the indexes that it had stored and find the websites with the best information for the search entered. Google will arrange the results starting with the one that's considered to have the best answer for the search entered. Search engine optimization is therefore the process of ensuring that your website will be ranked higher in the list of results served to a searcher on a particular topic. There are a few things that you need to keep in mind when it comes to SEO. SEO helps you get free organic traffic, which means that you don't have to rely on ads forever. Google and other search engines such as Bing rank websites based on relevance, authority, and user experience. A higher ranking equals more visibility, which leads to more traffic and therefore more bookings for your business. When it comes to SEO, there are 3 main areas that you need to cover. The first one is keyword research, which involves identifying the words or phrases that people search for when they're looking for the kind of products and services that you have to offer. The second one is on-page SEO, which involves the things that a developer needs to do on your website. And the third one is off-page SEO, which involves the things that are done outside your website. Now let's go through this one at a time, and we're going to start with keyword research. Before you can rank well in Google, you first need to know what people are searching for. This is where keyword research comes in. A keyword is a text that you type into a search engine when you're trying to search for something. Choosing the right keyword is the foundation of a successful SEO strategy. If you target the wrong keyword, you'll end up with the wrong traffic, or worse still, no traffic at all. Here are some simple yet effective ways to discover high-value keywords for your business. Let's start with Google Autocomplete. If you go to Google and start typing a phrase like Kenya Safari, you see a list of suggestions populated right below the search box. These are actual search queries that people are entering when searching for things. These are actual search queries that people are using, making them great keyword ideas for you to target. The second one is Google Trends. Now, Google Trends lets you compare the popularity of search terms over an extended period of time. For instance, if you're unsure whether to target Masai Mara Safari or Serengeti Safari, you can use Google Trends to determine which one has been getting more traffic over time. You can also check which one may have gotten a spike in traffic during the period that you're targeting. The next one is keyword research tools. For more advanced insights, you can use tools like Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, and SEMrush. These provide data on keyword difficulty, competition, and search volume. By using these keyword research methods, you can help your business rank better on search engines, attract the right audience, and convert more visitors into actual paying customers. The next one is on-page SEO. Now that you have your keywords, it's time to optimize your website. Let's start with the basics. Your title tag. Your title tag is the most important SEO element on your web page. It should clearly describe what your website is about while incorporating your target keywords naturally. Google uses title tags to understand your page, while travelers use them to decide whether to click. A well-crafted title tag can significantly increase your click-through rate. For instance, instead of a generic title tag like Serengeti Safari, you can use a more optimized one like Affordable 5-Day Serengeti Safari. Book now. This title is clear, includes a keyword, and has a compelling call to action that encourages users to click. The next element of on-page SEO is meta descriptions. A well-crafted meta description is supposed to be short, engaging, and action-driven. Keep it concise, ideally under 160 characters. This ensures that it displays fully in search results. Use relevant keywords to improve search visibility while maintaining a compelling, human-friendly tone. Avoid duplicates and clearly highlight value proposition as to why users should click to come to your page. By optimizing your meta description this way, you can improve your click-through rate and boost your search rankings. To optimize your content effectively, focus on creating engaging and informative blog posts. For instance, instead of creating a generic article, craft a blog post like 10 best safari lodges in Kenya. Such an article should provide insights into the lodges, such as amenities, pricing, and the unique experiences that they have to offer. Ensure that the content is well structured. Use bullet points and short paragraphs to make it easy to read. Make the content engaging by incorporating high-quality images, personal stories, and expert tips. Most importantly, optimize your content for search engines and social media. You can do this by including relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and internal links. This will boost visibility and drive traffic to your website. From here we go to internal linking. For instance, if you've written an article about the 10 best safari lodges in Kenya, you should link it to your hotel bookings page. You can also insert links about the pages on your website that talk about the parks where those lodges are located. Google prefers websites with a clear structure. Use internal links to keep visitors on your website longer, help search engines navigate your website, and drive traffic to the high converting pages on your website. Next, we go to website speed and mobile friendliness. Google prioritizes websites that load fast and work seamlessly on mobile. To check your website's performance, use Google Page Speed Insights. It will tell you what's slowing your website down. To speed up your website, you can compress images to reduce load time, use a lightweight theme, and enable browser caching for faster repeat visits. Most people browse on their phone, so your website must be mobile friendly. If your booking form is hard to use on a smartphone, you're losing business. If navigating your site on mobile feels frustrating, then it's time to optimize. Now we go to off-page SEO. This helps with building authority. Google also checks how trusted your website is. Here's how you build your site's authority. The first way to build your site's authority is by using backlinks. Backlinks are when other sites link to yours, signaling to Google that your content is valuable. But not all backlinks are equal. Quality matters over quantity. Focus on earning links that position you as an authority in the travel industry. Google My Business is essential for businesses with a physical location or those targeting a specific destination. It helps you show up in Google Maps and local searches, which means that customers can find your business easily. Then we go to social media SEO. While likes and shares don't directly boost SEO, social media will help drive traffic to your website and help in building your brand awareness. The more people engage with and share your content, the more visibility your brand gets. Over time, this translates into more website visitors and higher Google rankings. Before we wrap up, let's go over the key takeaways to ensure that you have a clear roadmap for improving your SEO and getting more bookings. First, you need to find the right keywords. This means understanding what your ideal users are searching for and incorporating those search terms in your content. Next, optimize your website content. This can be done by structuring your pages well, writing engaging blog posts, and ensuring that your content is compelling. A slow website can drive visitors away, so it's crucial to improve site speed and mobile usability. Your pages should load quickly, and the booking experience should be seamless both on mobile as well as on desktop. Another important factor is building backlinks and social proof. Getting reputable websites, blogs, and influencers to link to your website will increase your website's credibility in the eyes of Google and bring you more potential customers. Lastly, if your business operates in a specific location, make sure that you optimize your Google My Business Profile. This helps you show up in local searches, making it easier for travelers to find you and trust your services. By following these steps consistently, you'll increase your online presence, rank higher on search engines, and ultimately attract more customers to your tour packages. Now it's your turn. Start by researching one keyword today and using it to optimize your homepage. If you found this video useful, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and don't forget to sign up to SokoGuide for free, and we'll connect you to more customers who are looking for the kind of tour packages that you're selling. And I'll see you in the next video.